Hello everybody, this is Nora with NQ57, and on this video I have a tutorial for you. We're going to do a Valentine's mani using shemodern. So I have some shemodern foils here, and I also have some Beauty Big Bang products. So let me go ahead and show you first the foils from shemodern that I'm going to use. It's this variety. These are the foil water decals. And I'm going to use one of the kiss and one of the cupids that I will have to cut out. I will also use, this is a holographic foil. This is the kind that needs foil glue. I have my foil glue here. You will need that on one of my nails and part of the other one. I have reviewed these. These come in a variety pack. I will try to go ahead and link the video of when I did the review for these types of foils. Absolutely gorgeous. I love playing with those. And I'm also going to use Beauty Big Bang's new plate XL040. This is 46. It's a Valentine's plate. Very cute. I've already used this one here for this hand. Just a simple mani over a gel. And I am going to stamp with this holographic silver from DRK Nails. I've had this is silver holo right there. And I've already prepped my nails with a red and white. This is just simple colors, Snow White, and the red is Ruby Ruby. So let's get started. So what do you think? I am loving this mani. So cute. Oh, I really love the contrast, red and white, and then that holo silver. I really like combining these two different store products, shemodern and Beauty Big Bang. I hope you guys like it as much as I do, and if you guys have any questions about these, please leave them below and I'll be happy to answer. Yeah, the two different top coats. So you saw me use Valentine's water-based top coat to finish off the nails that I've used the foil, since this is all regular polish, and then oh yeah, Born Pretty Store's known smear free top coat, because I had done the stamp here on my index. So that is it for this tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and thank you for watching.